Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson where we would be looking at offset section. Now the objectives for today's lessons are as followed. Students would be able to define offset sections. Students would also be able to explain the purpose of offset sections, and students would be able to identify the different applications of offset sections. Now, what is an offset section? An offset section is a means of including in a single section several features of an object that are not in a straight line. So instead of the usual straight section, the section line is offset to give you different details of different parts of the same drawing. Now, purpose of offset sections is to show details of different areas in one sectional drawing, including features that are not in a straight line. The cutting plane may be offset or bent at one or more 90-degree angles to include several planes or curved surfaces. Now, what are some applications for offset sections? Offset sections are widely used in various industries, including architecture, mechanical engineer, and product design. Here are some examples of offset sections and their applications. Now, in architecture, offset sections are used to showcase the interior layout of buildings. They help visualize the arrangement of rooms, staircase, and other structural elements that are not visible from the exterior. Offset sections are also used to highlight specific design features such as intricate ceiling details or hidden structural supports. Now, in mechanical engineering, offset sections are commonly used to illustrate the interior components of machine, engines, or mechanical systems. For example, in a car engine, an offset section can reveal the arrangement of pistons, valves, and other internal parts. This helps engineers analyze the functionality and performance of the system. In product design, offset sections are utilized to showcase the internal structure and mechanisms of complex products. For instance, in a smartphone, an offset section can reveal the arrangement of circuit boards, batteries, and other internal components. This allows designers to optimize the layout and ensure proper functionality. In civil engineering, offset sections are employed to represent underground structures such as tunnels or pipelines. By creating an offset sections, engineers can accurately depict the dimensions, materials, and connections of these hidden structures. This aids in planning and construction and the construction process. In aerospace engineering, offset sections are used to illustrate the internal components and systems of aircrafts. For example, an offset section can showcase the arrangement of fuel tanks, control systems, and seating arrangement. This helps engineers analyze the weight distribution and ensure safety. And there we have it. So, in today's lesson, we looked at we defined an offset section. We also explained the purpose of an offset section, and we also identified the application of offset section across different fields. If this video was informative in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching.